In this video, I'm going to talk about string methods in JavaScript. So let's say I want to define here a variable, let's say name, and I want to say here that okay, the name is, let's say, Yamin, and here let's say I want to find the length of the name variable, okay, this text, and I want to find out find the index number. So we know index number start from 0, right? So let's say I want to know third index value, and let's say I want to know the string length, and we can actually find them through some function, built-in function, and that is the reason actually we need string methods. Okay, so how to do this? Let's say I want to know the character. Okay, so I will say let char. Okay, I'll say I want to know the name dot char at function, and here I just have to mention the index number, let's say third index, and I want to console it, so I'll say console dot log. Here I want to mention the character. Okay, and here you can see 0 1 2 3 I, it will show I. Here you can see I. Okay, and if I say 0, it will show Y. Okay, so now let's say I want to find out the m index number, so I can actually do this. So I'll say let char equal to name dot, okay, I can actually define here a new variable char2, let's say. So name dot index of string method. Okay, index of is a string method, and here I will say okay, I want to know the m index. So okay, I have to say here m, and I want to console log once again so that I can print it, and I will say char2. Here you can see 2, so 0 1 2, so the index of m is 2. Here you can see 2 because index start from 0. And we have a length function also in the string methods. Okay, so that is like, let's say I want to know the length. Okay, length is equal to name dot length. All right, and let's say I want to show it, console dot log. I'll say here length, and here you can see the length 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So don't compare length with index number. Okay, so length is if you want to find out any length from a string, you have to start from 1, right? You cannot start from 0. But when you think about index, you have to start from 0. Let's say I have Yamin MD here, and here it will actually count the space also. When you think about length, here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 and space 6, and then M7 and D8, and here you can see the value is 8. But it will not start from 0. Why? Because we are not finding this index number, we are finding the length. So length will start from 1. On the other hand, index will start from 0. So then we have other methods. I can actually access them. Let's say I want to find out let's say capital. Okay, here I'll say to upper case, and here I will mention the name, and oops, not like this, we have to say here the name. Okay, name dot to UPPR upper CAS, and then this sign, and here you can see all of them are in uppercase. Okay, Yamin MD. So you have to remember the function like this. Here you can see you have to write U as capital, and every single word, the first character will be the capital one. Okay, here you can see if I think about upper separate word and case separate word, so from the upper U is capital, from the case C is capital. If you think about other method also, here you can see of O is capital here, and character at, for the at A is capital. Okay, that's it. And we have a lowercase method also. So I will say let small is equal to name dot to lowerCase. So I have to say LOWER lower case like this, and let's say I want to print it once again, and I will say small, and here you can see everything is in lowercase. Now let's say I want to define one more variable here. Let's say a phone number, so I will say phone number, phone is equal to, let's say I can say here, let's say plus 8801779800. So let's say I want to change something here. I want to actually change the plus sign. Okay, so I can actually replace them. So I'll say here let new underscore phone, I can say that phone dot replace all, and here I'll say I want to change the plus, okay, comma to what, let's say this sign. So now I want to say console dot log, I will say here new phone. Here you can see the plus icon is changed. So this is how actually you can replace also. So these are functions for the string methods. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.